Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue further with exercise 12.2, and we know that this exercise is basically based on area of parallelograms and area of triangle. So we were in the fifth question. It's given that this PQRS is a parallelogram with SR is equals to 12 centimeter and QM, this is M here, is 7.6 centimeter. Fine. So now let us see what they have asked the first part. Find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. We know area of PQRS is base into height because it's a parallelogram. Now we are going to take that as a base on which the altitude is falling. So the base over here is SR and the height is QM. And SR is given as 12. And QM over here is given as 7.6. We got to multiply this to find the area. So 12 into 76. 12, 1, 7, 14, 1, 8. I get it as 912. Put point on the first digit over here. That many centimeters square is the area of the parallelogram. Now let's see the second part. They're asking us to find out QN if PS is given as 8 centimeter. PS is given as 8 centimeter. We have to find out what is QN. Now let's write down area of parallelogram. PQRS is equals to base into height. We know this. And just now we have calculated the area of the parallelogram. 91.2 is equals to. Now if I take the base as PS, the altitude will be that which is falling on it. So PS and the altitude is QN. So 91.2. PS is given as 8 and they are asking us to find out QN, the altitude. So 91.2 by 8 is equals to QN. So let us see now how to divide it. Let me take out the point here. I get it 0 over here. Right? So 8 tens, 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8 again, 3 balance 32, 8 fours are 32. So 114 by 10 is equals to QN. Or I can write 11.4 centimeter is equals to QN. तो पहले वाले पार्ट से हमें एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम मिल गया था और उसी को हमने सेकेंड पार्ट में इस्तेमाल किया टू फाइंड आउट द ऑल्टीट्यूड QN. Fine. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 6. It's again given that ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is 35, DL is an altitude on it. If I take base as 49, the altitude is BM over here. And they have given that the area of parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square. They're asking us to find out BM and DL. So we know that area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. If I take base as AB, the height will be DL and AB over here is 35 into DL. So 1470 by 35 is equals to DL. Fine. So let's 5 sevens are, 5 twos are 10, 5 nines are 45, 5 fours are 20. Again it goes with 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 twos are 14. I got 42 centimeters is equals to DL. So we found out what is DL here. Same way, now we have to find out BM. Same technique. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to. Now I am taking the base as AD. If I take the base as AD, the height will be BM over here. And area of parallelogram was given as 1470 in the question. AD over here is given as 49. We have to find out the altitude BM. So 1470 by 49 is equals to BM over here. So goes with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14. 1030. So BM is equals to 30 centimeter. So we have found out both the altitudes. Fine. बस एक ही चीज़ ध्यान रखना. Questions are very simple. Only one thing you have to remember. किसको बेस लेना है और किसे हाइट लेना है. अगर आप हाइट जिस साइड पे गिरता है, in whichever side the altitude falls, that particular side is taken as base, and that altitude which is falling is taken as an altitude. Always remember this. I cannot take this as a base and this as an altitude. समझ में आ गया. मैं इसको बेस और इसको ऑल्टीट्यूड नहीं ले सकती हूँ. ऑल्टीट्यूड वो होता है जो जिस साइड पे वो गिर रहा होता है, जिसे हम बेस मानते हैं, उसके ऊपर जो ऑल्टीट्यूड जो गिर रहा है, जो 90 डिग्री लाइन सेगमेंट बन रहा है, उसे ऑल्टीट्यूड लेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, it's on question number 7. It's given angle A is 90, AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 13, AC is 12 centimeter. What is the area of triangle ABC and what is AD? इसका area और AD find out करना है. ठीक है. Let's write down. First, area of triangle ABC is equals to, we know the formula, half base into height. ये हमें मालूम है. पैरेललोग्राम का बेस इंटू हाइट होता है और ट्राइंगल में हाफ मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ना ये 90 डिग्री है यहाँ पर एट एंगल ए इट्स 90 डिग्री. सो इफ आई टेक दिस एज बेस, दिस बिकम्स एन ऑल्टीट्यूड जो उसके ऊपर गिर रहा है, या अगर इसको बेस मानूंगी तो ये ऑल्टीट्यूड हो जाता है. राइट ट्राइंगल में एक साइड ही ऑल्टीट्यूड बन जाता है. सो हाफ 5 into 12. So I got it as 30 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Again I can find out the area of a triangle ABC. Now I am changing the base. I am taking it as a half base into height. Same formula it is. But now I am changing the base in height. We got the area as 30. I am writing it as 30 here. Half. Now I am taking the base as BC. So height will be that particular thing which falls on it making 90 degree. That is AD. So 30 is equals to half and BC is given as 13 into AD. So when I bring all these terms towards this side, it becomes like this. It is 60 by 13 is equals to AD. Now just divide it. 60, 13. 13 4s are 52. 8.0. 16 6s are 78. 2 0. 13 1s are 13. So I am getting it approximately as 4.61 centimeter is equals to the altitude AD. So ये ऑल्टीट्यूड और बेस का चक्कर तुम्हें समझ में आ गया होगा. पहले टाइम जब मैंने एरिया लिया था, आई टुक दिस एज अ बेस एंड दिस एज एन ऑल्टीट्यूड. इन अ राइट एंगल्ड ट्राइंगल, दिस इज द वन पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी इट हैज गॉट. इफ आई टेक दिस एज अ बेस, this side becomes an altitude, or if I take this as a base, this becomes an altitude. So right triangle में one of the side itself acts as an altitude. So this you can find in only right angle triangles. Next, ABC is an isosceles with AB is equals to AC 7.5 centimeter and BC is 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Fine. So what will be this height CE? This is what they are asking us. So let's calculate the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half base into height. That is equals to half. If I take base as BC, altitude will be the AD which is falling on it. BC into AD. And BC over here is 9. AD over here is 6. 2 3s and I get it as 27 centimeters square. Now same area of triangle I am calculating by taking a different base and altitude. Again it is half base into height. Half. Now let's take the base as AB. If I am taking the base as AB here, altitude will be that which is falling on it, that is CE. And we got the area of triangle as 27. 27 is equals to 1 by 2. AB is given here as 7.5 into CE. So bringing all the terms to the other side here is equals to CE. If you remove the point here, I get a 0 over here. 5 4s are 5 25s are. So if I multiply this, I get it as 98. 108 by 25 is equals to CE. So when we divide this 108 with 25, 25 4s are 100, 8.0, 25 3s are 75, 50, 2s are 50. So it is nothing but 4.32 centimeters is equals to CE. So this is how we have found out CE. This is what it was asked. So in this way we have completed exercise 12.2 and write all this in your classwork notebook. Apna classwork notebook maintain karna, because shortly I will be asking you to submit your notebooks. So see that it is updated. That's all for today, children. We'll continue tomorrow with new topic, with new figure and its area.